AI. Infrastructure meets precision medicine. The new tech healthcare value chain. What if I told you the future of healthcare isn't being built in hospital, it's being built in data centers? Right now, AI infrastructure is quietly reshaping medicine, and the companies that understand this shift early will dominate the next decade. We're entering a new era where AI meets precision medicine, creating an entirely new healthcare value chain. And this isn't incremental change. It's a complete system reset. Traditionally, healthcare was linear: research, trials, treatment. But today, that model is collapsing into a data-driven loop powered by AI infrastructure. This new value chain has 3 layers. First, data generation. Think genomics, imaging, clinical data, multi-omics platforms. This is the raw fuel. Second, AI intelligence layer. This is where machine learning kicks in: drug discovery, biomarker identification, predictive diagnostics. And third, infrastructure layer cloud, edge computing, and high-performance data centers that actually make all this possible. This shift is already delivering real impact. Pharma companies are cutting drug development timelines and costs. Doctors are moving from guesswork to highly accurate, personalized treatments. And patients? They're getting therapies tailored to their DNA, not averages. This is the transition from reactive medicine to predictive, personalized care. But here's the part most people miss. This is not just a healthcare revolution, it's an infrastructure race. AI workloads in healthcare are exploding: massive genomic datasets, real-time diagnostics, multimodal data processing, which means demand is shifting toward advanced data centers, liquid cooling systems, healthcare-specific cloud infrastructure. The real winners? Not just biotech companies, but the infrastructure players enabling them. We're looking at a future where AI predicts disease before symptoms appear. Drugs are designed faster than ever, and healthcare becomes truly personalized at scale. Organizations that understand this interconnected ecosystem will capture the biggest opportunities. If you want to stay ahead of this shift, make sure to subscribe. And to dive deeper into this market, explore our full report. Link is in the description below.